Porsche tractor tutorial and cold start. Key just gets pushed in all the way. You do not need to turn. You will see a red light go on. To start, you pull the throttle all the way back. Make sure the tractor is in neutral. It's just in the middle. You can see that's up, that's down, and that's right in the middle. Make sure the brake is on. These are the brakes up here. My right foot is. On a cold start, you pull it out halfway for about 10-15 seconds. And then you just pull it all the way. Get some of that good old diesel black smoke to start. And it goes away. You can adjust your throttle down to a better idle speed. Turn off. You literally just push it forward. Oh, this is the horn under here. These are the lights. Throttle, shift, brake. That's a foot throttle. Okay. Don't know what these are. Haven't used some of those. Also the brake here.